Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva and I'm coming at you with another video. This is going to be simple and sweet, quick and easy. I just wanted to show you guys one of my DIYs. I was just changing out my canisters and I found these lovely, they're actually candy jars, but I turned them into canisters for 99 cents at the St. Vincent de Paul store. And I wanted them to set up quite a bit. I like how they already have the embossed decoration on them, so I didn't want to add any more decoration to them, like any bling or anything. I just wanted them to kind of stand on their own. So I was at the Goodwill store in West Mifflin, Pennsylvania, and I found these heavyweight, you can see on the bottom, candle holders. So I just turned them upside down and glued them with my E6000. They've been sitting there for a couple days, and that is what they look like. And I'm going to the Dollar Tree today, and I'm going to look for some, you know, the old-time candy scoopers. Yeah, and I might put a little hook on the side so that I can string those scoopers on the side. Or I just might just leave it as is and put the little scooper in it. But just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like. Just wanted to show you guys. And the two on the end I found at the St. Vincent de Paul store for 99 cents. And this one in the middle, the smaller one, I found that one at the Goodwill for $1.99. But I couldn't resist because it still matches. So, and these candle holders were 79 cents a piece. So, yeah. So approximately $7. And I have new canisters. Just wanted something a little bit different for the holiday. And this definitely does it. So, yeah. Just wanted to, and this came from my bar, well, my honey's bar, and you know, it wasn't being used, so I just use that for my straws. Nice, easy, and keeps them from being all over the place. So yeah, well, that's it. New canisters, DIY canisters. Act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. You guys be safe. Take care. I love you to life. This is DJ the Diva. See you in the next video.